General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. What models hit and what was missed? So Saturday would have been the 27th. Ooh, well, I'm glad I ain't waiting no other day. Imagine doing another day. Which models hit for the week? None really. It was a off week, but remember, week 1 and 4, I gotta be careful. Since they set up the monthly expansion or retrace the monthly expansion for the monthly wick. I got one of those Bang energy drinks. It's like 0 calories, but it got CoQ10. We got a bunch of good stuff in there. Identity progress. Tough week because wanted to engage, but didn't have the price action I wanted, or was at the chart at the time for the most favorable price action. So I think I gotta remember I'm gonna catch every move, and I did good by only approaching when I seen price where I wanted and during that time. So the idea was executed, even though results or the outcome. The outcome wasn't what I intended. That's resulting. Can't be resulting. Now the price action, or was it the trading time for the most favorite price action? I won't catch every move. I did good approach when I seen price where I wanted it during that time. If it's SQ, you know the outcome wasn't profit. I can't get caught up in the result. I gotta stay caught up in the process. Case log updated. There was no trace this week. No trace this week, but reflections, study, and I gotta do better at doing my chart work. My chart work entries, even when I don't want to see the charts, because I'm mad at CFD SMT. For real. Experience and patience and process. Next week, improvement focus. Not skipping days. Not skipping days due to emotional reaction to what price is doing or not doing. Although I think it was more Thursday, because Wednesday I was done like this week, not expanding. Maybe I can better process don't engage weeks when Wednesday market close, no confirmed anchor point is seen. This is PO3 charts. Did I fix this? I think I did. So here. NASDAQ. Just H. I think it's H1. It's probably better for the PO. Yeah, it's a new quarter. Just a lot of drawings though. Let me just look at my daily right quick because I know I don't put some lines up here. Yeah, I'm not finna delete all this. That's crazy. I can delete this because all I really want is this gone. Nah, because I think some of that I need. Take this off. This is EQ. This is the draw that I had. And this is the last level that we broke. This is the CFD SMT. Previous week's high here. This was the last we seen the previous week's high. Do this because I don't like to see the candles moving. Let me see if it's just a weekly open I can find right fast. It's something I did. Ain't no telling what it is. Because I have a weekly open for the middle of the week. Yeah, it's too much stuff going on. Let me do this over here. That screen's too little. Where's this weekly open line? Say UTC 5. It's blue. Let's make it. Oh, it's because it's only for, yeah, I'm not going to be able to see old weeks. I forgot I did that. Probably only wanted to see ICT everything. That's what I probably got to bring back. Weekly open gap kryptonite. I do like that one though. Alright, ain't got time. Try it out. Then I'll figure it out from there. Because all I want is just a line. And then people be making them indicators. They be putting too much stuff on it. And you'll want a weekly line and it'll have fair value gaps or the blocks S&T. Like, man, that's not even what I want. I just want this. And then say something like weekly open. So Monday was a push up. You can just call this an accumulation. Just straight push up. We had the SMT inside day. Did we engineer liquidity anywhere? Well, this was low resistance liquidity run here to the draw. Or middle, nah, top. I think it's the bottom when I do it this way. To here. After we smacked this was over with. This wasn't previous month high, or was it a significant high? It was just all-time high. This was my target, but what was the real target? This was the real target. Which was this? Who was this? Wednesday? This Tuesday high of the week on NASDAQ only. Because on On futures, it's Monday high of the week. And come to think of it, like some people don't even look at CFDs or even tripping on CFD SMT. But it's something I've seen a few times. Come on, what's going on? Why is this here? Move this. Maybe if I type something. The whole purpose is to have the link there. Hold on, something's going on. It's trying to link the pages. That's the oldest trick in the book. Oh Lord, hold on, wait. Let's see now. Are we good? Okay. When they pushed up, accumulated by orders. That was the high of the week. Tuesday was an inside day. That's perfect because it would draw more people in to buy. Wednesday, failure swing. Yeah. Redrew more people in. Then Thursday delivered. Deliver weekly objective. Friday chopped. All right. This is right now, right? Yeah. So let's do this. So I can see where Friday starts to Sunday here. And then I can see this. Where's the week? The whole week. This is Monday. Monday sets the tone. We have no manipulation. Where are buy stops manipulated at here? Look at this. High, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. What in the world? This was the only real stop hunt? Bottom right. Make this tiny. That's a weird week. Man. So, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, no, but we do have liquidity imbalance because this is an imbalance. I need this bright. Price came here, boom. The S&T is weird though. This is an inside day. Push up Monday. Tuesday, take an old monthly high. We consolidated there. Wednesday, then pushed up. We didn't even run liquidity before we pushed up. This is perfect to take here. There's probably was all kind of buy orders here too. And it's just like, nah, fuck y'all. That's crazy. I know everybody because buying them in daily lows, I don't know, it's a staple to people that trade Forex. Okay. No daily lows were taken. Price just ran. Wednesday was an inside day. Thursday rebalanced. OTE maybe. And Friday expanded. I think OTE do deserve attention. It's just like we outgrew it. Nobody cares about it no more. But it still works. Let's see here. What did I do at this point? Here, from here to here? 0.618. See that? That's a perfect OTE. I hope I don't get the little thing stuck when I did. I should do all the chart work first and then just record me talking or typing and make the videos super short. But that kind of negate the actual chart work and me vlogging the actual work. So it kind of defeats the whole process. And everybody thinks like trading is just pushing buttons. They don't want to do this part of it anyway. This is the week. This is weekly open. I remember I drew it because I don't have a weekly open indicator. Monday pushed up. It's kind of like the opposite of silver when it should have been running with silver. But we did have EU news last week. Okay. Monday was large range. Tuesday and Wednesday fit inside Monday. Thursday dropped everything. And Friday pumped it. Friday makes sense because PCE and silver went crazy too. I think this was dropping last week due to European economic data. It must be so bad that the dollar doing good. Then the dollar doing better. Wow. They supposed to have their ship running good over there. hmm we have to monitor the situation. All right. That's Saturday. Let's do this. Hold on, because I think I can knock out week review right here too. I thought I unplugged something important. One time I unplugged my laptop and it almost died. Yeah, okay. Instrument engaged, yeah. Doom, doom, doom. Framework, education, decision quality. Nope, I didn't decide. Quarterly shift. We didn't do anything. Next week, okay. Oh, all right. Should be good because I didn't engage last week. All right, yep, that's good. Now we'll do the start of the next quarter. Let me stop this recording. Have a good day. Peace.